Ready? Let's go! Excited ka na ba for 2024? Para ulitin yung mga pagkakamali mo ng 2023. Joke lang, charot. Excited ka na ba for 2024 para baguhin ang mga pagkakamali mo ng 2023? Para patunayan na natuto ka sa mga pagsubok ng 2023? Come on! Pagkakataon mo na to. Kung ikaw ay isang empleyado na nagtatrabaho mula 8 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. plus pasasalamat, oras na pasasalamat, baka maisipan mo ang maging isang financial advisor wherein you can be a part-time financial advisor na kung saan pwede kang magtrabaho sa oras na gusto mo, sa lugar na gusto mo, at kumita ng additional. Having an additional income or side hustle, sabi nga ni Sir Chinkitan, is not always only about sa pagdagdag ng pera. It also helps us to have additional knowledge for us to improve our self, tsaka para mas matuto pa tayo. So kung ikaw ay 20 to 45 years old, 4-year course graduate, any course na natapos mo with or without job experience, you are welcome to join our team. Yes, with or without job experience, because we provide the training para maging isa kang financial advisor. We only need for you is the willingness to learn, willingness to adopt, and willingness to work as a member of a team. And sooner or later, i-develop natin yung character mo if ever na kaya mo maging leader. That is a growth waiting for you. Be part of our team. So kung interesado ka sa mga pinagsasabi ko, start now. Start messaging me so I can send you the instruction kung paano tayo magsisimula. Grab the opportunity to improve ourselves this 2024. Start now. I am your always ready financial advisor, AR. Thank you.